Hey guys, welcome to my product review of this double laundry hamper made by Lifewit. This hamper, guys, is great. It is definitely sturdy, guys, but it's also collapsible. Okay, so I love the fact that they have handles on this laundry basket everywhere. So if you're moving, you can hold it easily without it dropping or anything. And I love the fact that, guys, you could just literally pop these laundry baskets out themselves, guys, and just take them immediately to the washer. You do not have to take them out and put them in a basket and all that. And you can also, because it has a double side, guys, you can immediately like divide your clothes into the darks and lights. I use this for both my kids, so one kid has one side and the other kid has the other side. And I love the fact that it comes with a lid as well, guys. We've had this hamper now for a year and it is still standing strong. It has a good amount of clothes that it also holds, and it comes into different sizes. So if you guys are looking for a laundry hamper, I would definitely suggest checking this one out right here on Amazon.